Hi, and welcome back to LiveBinders. In this video, I'll be showing you how to embed a Twitter feed into one of your binders. So to start, you're going to want to make sure your desired binder is open in edit mode. Then you're going to want to open up a new tab in your browser and go to this link here. It's publish.twitter.com. And here, it'll ask me what I'd like to embed. So I'm going to paste the LiveBinders Twitter and hit enter. And it gives you two options. One is just a Twitter button, and the other is an embedded timeline. And of course, the embedded timeline will look a lot better, so we'll select that. And one thing to note is that by default, the timeline will end up being far too large, especially on a monitor, but you can customize the display settings using these settings right here. It's at set customization options. And we'll make it a bit smaller so that it'll still look okay on a phone while in your binder. Let's see, 400 should be fine. There are a few other options as well, but we'll leave those alone for now. So then I'll click on update and it'll give me the code right here. So now I can copy this code and return to my binder in edit mode. I'll go to the tab I want and click on content, then embed. Now I can just paste the code right here into my binder, and then I'll hit insert. And you may have to give it a second for it to load in. Okay, you'll only see it as a link for now since we are still in edit mode. But if I save and then view my binder in play mode, you'll see your timeline inside your binder. And this is actually going to be in real time too, so any new updates, you're going to see them as they come in. And that's how you embed a Twitter timeline into your LiveBinder.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.